Sometimes I find these little things at Goodwill, so I pick them up. Just like a little bowl made from China. It's not too bad of a size. A nice use for it, I'm sure. Can be easily added into a background, or just bring the background to life. I like doing that with these little things. And this is a teapot. It's actually a salt and pepper shaker. I've seen these before. Seems like everybody's grandmother had one at one time. It's pretty cool. Just another thing that you could add to a background to make it look real. Or maybe use it for a prop item. This is a small little jar with cork stopper. You could usually buy these at Michael's. Come to several in a pack. I like finding little things like this. It makes it nice to drop them in a scene somewhere. I can find uses for them. I bet you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment below. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next one.